Today, we're diving into the world of cottage cheese, a versatile and nutritious ingredient that's become increasingly popular over the past few decades. Not only is it high in protein, but it's also packed with essential nutrients, making it a favorite among athletes and a staple in many weight loss plans. In this video, we'll explore why cottage cheese is so beneficial for your health. What is cottage cheese? Cottage cheese is a soft, white, and creamy cheese that stands out as a fresh cheese, meaning it doesn't go through the aging or ripening processes that develop stronger flavors in other cheeses. As a result, cottage cheese has a very mild taste. It's made from the curds of various levels of pasteurized cow's milk, including non-fat, reduced fat, and regular milk. Cottage cheese is available in different curd sizes, small, medium, or large, and comes in a variety of options such as creamed, whipped, lactose-free, reduced sodium, and sodium-free. This versatile cheese can be enjoyed on its own or used as an ingredient in various recipes. The nutritional profile of cottage cheese varies based on the milk fat level and the amount of sodium added. A half cup, 113 grams serving of low-fat, 1% milk fat, cottage cheese contains the following nutrients. Calories, 81. Protein, 14 grams. Carbohydrates, 3 grams. Fat, 1 gram. Vitamin B12, 29% of your daily value. Selenium, 19%. Riboflavin, 15%. Phosphorus, 13%. And calcium, 5%. If you are finding this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Cottage cheese may help you lose weight. Cottage cheese is a popular choice in weight loss diets due to its high protein and low calorie content. A 2012 study found that including high protein foods like cottage cheese led to an average weight loss of 6.2 pounds in women and 3.1 pounds in men over a year. The protein in cottage cheese, particularly casein, helps increase feelings of fullness, similar to eggs, which can reduce overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. Additionally, the calcium in cottage cheese has been linked to enhanced weight loss and reduced fat accumulation when combined with a low-calorie diet. Cottage cheese and muscle gain. Cottage cheese is popular among athletes and exercisers for its high protein content, which is great for building muscle mass. When combined with resistance training, its high protein content can help increase muscle mass. Casein, which makes up 80% of cottage cheese's protein, is slowly absorbed, making it beneficial to consume before bed to boost overnight muscle synthesis and metabolism. This slow release of amino acids helps reduce muscle breakdown during the night. However, there's no evidence that casein is more effective than other dairy-based proteins like whey for increasing lean body mass or strength. Other benefits of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is associated with several other health benefits. Number 1, may help prevent insulin resistance. Insulin resistance can lead to type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Some research suggests that dairy consumption may lower the risk of insulin resistance. Although the exact mechanism is unclear, an animal study found that calcium could improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance in rats on a high-fat diet. Number 2, promotes bone strength. Cottage cheese is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and protein, all of which are linked to improved bone health. Number 3, high in selenium. A half cup, 113 grams serving of cottage cheese provides 19% of the daily value for selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidant protection in the blood. Potential issues for people intolerant to dairy. Cottage cheese being a dairy product can cause problems for some individuals, particularly those with lactose intolerance or a dairy allergy. Since cottage cheese is a fresh, unripened cheese, it contains more lactose than aged cheeses like Parmesan cheddar or Swiss. Additionally, if extra milk is added to the curd, the lactose content increases further. This makes cottage cheese less suitable for those with lactose intolerance. Consuming it may lead to digestive issues such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, and stomach pain. However, tolerance levels vary, and some people with lactose intolerance can handle up to 12 grams of lactose per sitting. Since a half cup, 113 grams serving of cottage cheese contains just 3.6 grams of lactose, some individuals may be able to enjoy it in moderation. Cottage cheese contains casein and whey, two proteins in cow's milk that can trigger allergic reactions in some people. If you have experienced an allergic reaction to any dairy product, you may need to avoid cottage cheese. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.